guys, welcome back to my channel. This is just going to be a quick intro. We actually made this shelf last weekend. We made the new one this weekend. If you guys want to see how we made it, keep watching. The things that you will need are 2 pieces of fence wood, actual fence wood, a sander, some paint brushes, and it's your choice if you want to get it cut there at the store or cut it yourself. We personally cut it at home. But those are the things you'll need, and let's get started. Oh, and before I forget, if you like this video or found it interesting or made it work for you, please give me a big thumbs up. And if you're new here, I'm Janey, and subscribe to my channel. Okay? Cool. Let's get started.
Just measure it, and this is the part we're going to take off. So it could just be
what about that little space? Is that okay?
Yeah, that's fine. It doesn't matter.
Okay. So this is the first step. That's cutting the top off. Okay, and then you could also, if you want, you can get it done at the store, where we buy this at. This was what, how much? $3, $4?
$3.
3 something. So again, if you don't want to do it at home, just ask them to cut it for you. But Alfonso already has a saw. That is right there. If you guys want to see how he does it, I'm going to back this a little bit. That's pretty easy. And there you go.
Not that straight, but
I mean, you know. He wants to do it again. Such a perfectionist. Wood is cut off, as you can tell. You know, he is standing. I really don't want to stand here for that long because everything is everywhere. But yeah. So this is probably the hardest, most difficult part, or yeah, time consuming. But yeah. So you sand it down, and then you'll go from there. Measuring my already built shelf to see the space between each one.
9 inches.
Okay. So that way with the new one, he knows exactly how far each one is supposed to be. But yeah, cool. Let's go make the other one.
And then you also might have to measure the length of them, so you know.
Yeah.
So this.
Oh, how far to cut? Yeah.
8 inches, I think. I believe it might be 8 inches.
So he measures it. They're each 8 inches apart, right? Yes. And there's some already cut. So he's gonna cut this one, and yeah, let's see.
Let me just make sure it's right.
So they are cut, but they are also going to be neat. Oh my gosh, I can't talk today. They're going to need to be sanded. The edges are going to need to be sanded. Like the side edges are sanded, yes. The only other edge that needs to be sanded is the front. That's going to be facing us, the shelf. So that's going to be needed. Oh my gosh, I can't talk. That's what's going to be needed sanded next. I can't talk. Sorry guys, I can't talk. 7 shelves with the fence size that we have. You can equal 7 shelves. So if you don't want to cut them yourselves, you can cut them at the store. Trim the top and then ask for 8 inches. The shelves will be 8 inches. So you'll get 7 shelves worth of 8 inches long each shelf. So yeah, so now he's gonna sand the last side that needs to be sanded and drill them together. Okay, so now he's drilling in. Okay, so
3 screws on the back each side.
Okay, so now one is done. That's one shelf right there.
And then it's gonna be
That's the bottom one, and we have 6 more to go. They're looking good so far. So Alfonso actually has a tool to keep. Let me go on this side. He's all dirty. But he actually has a tool that will keep it straight for him. So that's why I'm not holding it. But here's our progress. 3 down, 4 to go? 4
yeah,
to go.
we actually changed it to 10 inches.
You did?
9.5, yeah.
Will it work?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright guys, it's done. He's just gonna add one more. I don't know if there it is. Ooh, too bright. I'm just gonna add one more nail or screw for support.
Oh. There you go.
Sweet. And it stands up by itself, guys. That's awesome. I just need to paint it. But can you guys see just how smooth it is? It's beautiful. Thanks, babe. I love you. So now I'm gonna paint it. I'm using white, so I'm just gonna paint it real quick. And 2 coats is recommended. I'll be right back. I just woke up from a nap. Me and Alfonso both knocked out. We were tired. It is now gonna be 7 o'clock. I'm in his storage room that he created. So I'm gonna finish the last coat of paint. And then let it dry and put it up. So hopefully I can upload this video tonight. Hopefully. I really want to. I just want to show you a quick 2-layer coat side. And not 2 layers. Or not yet done 2 layers. Can you see how different it looks? That's why I recommend 2 layers. Would you guys believe that that piece of fence, any piece of fence you see, became this? Isn't that awesome? Get out. Isn't that awesome? I love it. This is my one already made, plus my ring light. So it's time to set it up. You ready?
Yes.
Okay, let's do it.
Oh shit!
Babe, what happened?
Did you record that?
Here's the finished product. Sorry, my vanity is a mess. Honestly, if I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I know they're not even. Like, this one looks so much better, but he had better equipment, better tools. And this one, now I'm just gonna decorate it. And yeah. If you have any questions on the actual vanity itself, Alfonso made that too. If you were wanting to know anything about it, just let me know in the comments. But yeah. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And subscribe if you haven't already. Okay, cool. Bye, guys. See you next time.